Let the food flow, work the land to harvest. Plant and prosper, let the food flow, let the food flow, work the land to harvest. Plant and prosper, let the food flow. Plant and prosper, let the food flow. Plant and prosper, let the food flow, work the land to harvest. Plant and prosper, let the food flow, work the land to harvest. Plant and prosper, let the food flow, work the land to harvest.
Yeah.
God gave us a healthy soils to plant.
Yeah.
God gave us a healthy soils to rear our animals. Reggae farming.
Welcome back, Obaafarm.
Thank you so much,
Senior
Papa.
consultant.
Thank you, Papa.
Yeah, we are always happy. I'm actually happy to host you always in this channel.
Yeah.
You know, we always want to bank on your knowledge.
Yes.
So that our community's livelihood is fully transformed.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now today, I want us to talk about seeds.
Yeah.
You know, in your song Plant and Prosper, we really want to prosper this year and forward.
Yes.
Now, we would like you to talk about seeds. Talk about the seeds, highlighting the traditional seeds and then the genetically modified seeds, so that we can fully understand the differences, highlighting the dangers and then the advantages.
Yes.
Because we really need to understand it. Also tell us whether it is sustainable or not sustainable. Yes. So, you're welcome, Senior.
Thank you, Papa.
Yes.
Our viewers, still like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
Yes.
Today, in this episode, I really want to appreciate Mendex 100 for coming up with this initiative. One thing why I came up with that song of Plant and Prosper. And basically, if you look at all these songs, they talk about organic farming.
It's all agricultural.
It's all about farming in nature's way. Is that we have a lot of seeds in the market. Yes, our government has got the best. The best policy. Okay, we have the best policy makers in the country, but when it comes to maybe things like controlling them, sometimes one or two they actually come into our country too illegally. So we have got a number of seeds here that are actually genetically modified, and then those ones that are actually locally produced and actually locally stored in our country, here in Uganda. We have the difference is that our seeds, local seeds, our native seeds, by the even they're disappearing. For your information, they're disappearing.
And I really feel bad about it. You know, if
because like seeds, for us here in Teso, we have we had a granite called Onwara.
Which one? Which color?
It is black and it is green, not green.
Yellow.
It is white and red.
Lajeba.
I don't know how you call it in your tribe.
The one that is like your shirt is called Lajeba.
No, there is the one which is the
red is called Karanga.
No, red and white.
Red and white.
Yes. Have you seen that?
I've not seen it.
You see? He doesn't know so. So, what do I mean here? I brought it as an example. It was actually one of the traditional seeds or granite seeds, which actually has got the highest oil content in it. And once kakipio jam, it is really organic.
No peck.
No peck. You even feel that smell, that aroma of indigenous seeds.
Even the corn you get it.
I'm telling you now, you're putting me in the moods of those days, 90s. For us, we're born of 90s, yeah?
Yeah.
But those seeds are actually disappearing.
Yeah.
I think the last
Which is not good, and it's
Yeah.
alarming. People need to keep those kind of seeds.
Yeah, we need to keep those seeds in a way that our great grandchildren, your children, don't know even those varieties of peanuts. The maize, anyogi, longe 5, the local variety, tipping, the local variety. Like for us, even those days, storage of anyogi, you plant 1 acre and you get about the home is just full of maize. Maize, peanuts, you find those climate change has brought a lot of issues, and all the issue of climate change is related to us. It is actually us, the Ugandans, us, the Africans, us, the East Africans. It's actually who have actually brought, and the Western countries have actually taken all these seeds to their countries, and right now,
And actually, they are selling it.
yes, and right
They
now,
are selling expensively to
and
us.
right now, because they go and add some small value, they go and add value to it. When they add value to it, it comes back to us again. We end up buying it expensively. So local seeds, they have got a lot of advantages. One, even the smell alone, when you're eating, it really smells. I don't know what, do you eat maize?
Yeah, I eat though.
Yeah, the maize of those days in 90s is not the maize of today, because that nice good smell of anyogi, of maize, you really feel when they're boiling, when they're roasting, you really feel that this is really peanuts. When they actually, when they're harvesting it, and you're picking it from the garden, and you first fry some, not even you first get the dry grass, and these are things that children of this days don't understand. Here planting kids.
Yeah.
So here planting kids. Yes. The only thing they know is the ice cream and where. But indigenous seeds they don't know. And if you look at the number of diseases which were actually those days, our ancient days, they were actually not there. Simply because of greed of us, the human beings. We picked the local, the traditional seeds. We went ahead and tampered with its genes.
The patterns.
With all the genes, the phenotypes, all is actually being tampered with. Now we came up with the GMO seeds. Not only in seeds, even in animals, those things are there. And yeah, they give quick returns. But they give quick returns, but a lot of problems associated with them.
They are not sustainable.
They are not sustainable. Because once you produce today, you cannot replant them. These seeds, you can't replant them. But our traditional seeds, Mendex, Emma, you can plant them today, you can plant them. But these other seeds that actually tampered with their genotypes, you plant them and that's why you find farmers keep on visiting agro input shops on a yearly basis, season after season, they are going to agro input shop. Hey, do you have maize? Basoka. Oh, do you have DK 777? Oh, why? Because they want it. And by the way, Emma, by the Mendex, quote me right, quote me wrong. I want to assure you, and I want to assure the viewers out there that give it time, maybe in the next 50 years or 20 years from now, farming is going to be very expensive. It's already expensive, but it's going to be very expensive for a local man who can't even afford 1,000. Do you know the household that even just getting 1,000 is a problem? Deep down there. And we are comfortable. But we don't have people, we are talking about it, it is a crime. Why? Seeds are very expensive. These chemicals I talked in the other episode of agroecology are very expensive. Fertilizers are expensive. Everything is expensive. And that's why I am advocating that let us farm in the organic way.
So I think we need to advise our cultural institutions, the local leaders, or our different clan heads,
Yes.
so that maybe when we are having the meetings in our different clans, we should emphasize the indigenous seeds, the sustaining of the indigenous seeds.
Yeah.
Because in time to come, as you predicted, we will be buying even a single kilo, maybe at 1 million. We don't know.
It's coming, yeah. No, we have seeds that are around 700,000.
Mm,
About to, I want to give an example of watermelon.
mm,
Watermelon, if you get like 2 kilos, it's around 700,000.
mm,
And again, you go back, and today maybe you've used, first of all, buying it alone. You remember you have land preparation, just taking your money. You have IPM, pest, integrated pest management, also it's there. That means money. So like all the thing, by the time a farmer pulls all these resources for seeds, for what, when you combine it all, it's a huge chunk of money. And now he will be struggling to recover this money in the harvest time. Even sometimes when it comes to selling it, it's also a problem. Why? Because of low validation to our seeds. Low validation, low prices. So farmers are actually faced with a lot of challenges. That the only person who can address them is actually me and you. And everyone who is
anybody who is willing to change.
Everyone who is actually advocating for change, everybody who is willing to go organic way, everybody who is willing to revamp back our lost ecosystem, and we shall start receiving rains early.
Yeah. So I think for those who are having some concern, to take it dirty, ma dok ko kit ni ku ma chali dok kuri wa mon cha ma tika ruenyo ne wa tur ne gitek wek kuri cha ne pu rueny olo wa pirugi wek gu yab nya gu yab du pian ka pe bo ke karmo manu dong kuri pe wil. Yes,
I just want to tip you something. Our local seeds, preserving them, the local preservation methods of those days, I was trying to hint it a bit. Like those days, in the grass house, maybe Jokon. Jokon. Ichero Jokon pamego. Ineno anyogi itikwe. Tidanot. It's actually on the roof of the kitchen there. Why? It's actually, that's a post-harvest way. They're now waiting for the next season. And then you pick it and you plant. Storage. We have right now a lot of things have actually come. Post-harvest handling has come. We have there's a time we had locusts. Climate change is real. So let us advocate for our farmers that let us accept and live with climate change.
Yeah. So ladies and gentlemen, this episode we are ending it here. Thank you very much for watching. We hope this was helpful to all of us who have been part of the show. Thank you.